How to transfer money between US bank accounts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to move money between your US bank accounts, well in this video I will show you exactly how to transfer funds online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for US Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, it'll be prompted to the main website of the US Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, just click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen. And after that, on the next page, simply enter your personal ID and password and log in to access your dashboard. And now here, once logged in from the main menu, you can just click on transfer and pay. And after that, you can simply choose transfer money. And now you need to choose the account you are transferring from and the account you are transferring to. And both should be listed if they are under your name. And after that, you just have to enter the amount you want to move and select the transfer date and decide whether it's one-time transfer or a recurring one. And now with that, you have to double check all the details. And then after, once you have checked all the details, you just have to click on submit and you'll get a confirmation message once it's processed. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money between your US bank accounts. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.